It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I know love is the only way, so it's a beautiful day. I don't have nothing on my mind, no. I don't care what he say. I don't need him to waste my time, no. It's a beautiful day. And it's a wonderful life. Lord, I hope you can see there is no need for stress or strife, no. It's a wonderful life. I don't have anywhere to be, no. I don't care for my rights. I don't have anyone to see, no. It's a wonderful life. And it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I don't have nothing else to say, no. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I know love is the only way, so it's a beautiful day. I don't have nothing on my mind, no. I don't care what he say. I don't need him to waste my time, no. It's a beautiful day. And it's a wonderful life. Lord, I hope you can see there is no need for stress or strife, no. It's a wonderful life. I don't have anywhere to be, no. I don't care for my rights. I don't have anyone to see, no. It's a wonderful life. And it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I don't have nothing else to say, no. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I know love is the only way, so it's a beautiful day. I don't have nothing on my mind. I don't care what he say. I don't need him to waste my time. No, it's a beautiful day. And it's a wonderful life. Lord, I hope you can see there is no need for stress or strife. No, it's a wonderful life. I don't have anywhere to be. No, I don't care for my rights. I don't have anyone to see. No, it's a wonderful life. And it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I don't have nothing else to say. No, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I know love is the only way, so it's a beautiful day. I don't have nothing on my mind. I don't care what he say. I don't need him to waste my time. No, it's a beautiful day. And it's a wonderful life. Lord, I hope you can see there is no need for stress or strife. No, it's a wonderful life. I don't have anywhere to be. No, I don't care for my rights. I don't have anyone to see. No, it's a wonderful life. And it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining so bright. I don't have nothing else to say. No, it's a beautiful day.
Good evening. Welcome to the evening session. Good evening. Can I please get confirmation if you can see us and hear us? So once I get a confirmation, we can then start. Good evening, Ahilya, Surekha ji, Aparna. Can you hear us as well? Surekha, Meenakshi, Tapasya, Pawan ji, Surinder, Sudhakar ji, Mehak, Poonam, Suresh, Priyanka, Surendra ji. Yes, all good. Chalo, we got the confirmation. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, Priyanka. Welcome to the evening sessions. Once again, we bring you a beautiful session ahead. Those who are joining first time, welcome to the evening session. As you know that all we do here is to sit together and meditate in a group so that we can feel good, rewind ourselves from day-to-day activities and look at the larger perspective of life, which is happiness and blissfulness, and see how these things are available to us and we don't need to go finding towards it. Many of us think that the solution to our problems are outside. That is the basic dysfunction we have. The solution to all our problems are inside us. Once you realize this, that there is no one in this world can give me anything, all I need a proper guidance to reach to the power I have within. That's the only way one can overcome his weakness or sickness in terms of when it comes to mind, body and energy. if this one instrument is okay, if your mind, body, and energy is aligned, there is nothing in this world which you cannot achieve. You will be persistent, you will be hardworking, dedicated. Your mind will be most stable mind where it's not wavering today something, tomorrow something. One of the basic dysfunction again we see that we have acquired this weakness of mind that whenever somebody throws something at us, we just keep it in our heart, and that heart keeps growing. I published a quote yesterday saying, if your neighbor throws a garbage into your front yard or backyard, you will go to the police and complain that that my neighbor is throwing garbage. But when it comes to the mental garbage, we are expert in collecting mental garbage from everyone who is not even related to us. If somebody says something, even slightest thing, we have become very good to collect this garbage in our mind. So we have to make sure that we clean this slate every day, because when you are getting up in the morning to the time you come down back in the evening, a whole day you are collecting this garbage. Now one has to learn how to get rid of this garbage so that it's not accumulated in your body. Because when you collect this garbage inside your head, many of us has collected this garbage from many years, from past, forever, like it's just there, and you just, whenever the topic comes up, you remember that garbage and you have collected. So we had to, these sessions is designed to get rid of that all garbage, so that we can start like a kid, like a pure energy, and make sure that we have enough perspective or maturity in our living that we don't allow anyone to put a garage. One more example, I remember that why do we do every day? Because one has to do every day? Because have you seen back in India when I used to see that if you have a clean place, it's very difficult for someone to come and put the garbage in. But what happens if you allow one person to put little bit of garbage? Then what happens? Everyone comes and put a garbage there. Same with our mental garbage. When people realizes that you can play with this person, you can put a garbage in his mind or say anything and he will cope up with that, he will not defend himself back. What will happen? You will allow one person, second person. This becomes a habit, and with no time, the whole field becomes a dump yard. Everybody comes and dumps their garbage there. Now, but if it is clean, they will hesitate to come and put garbage on you. So make sure our slates are clean every day, and we don't collect any mental garbage. Because when we cannot take any physical garbage from anyone, then how come we put a mental garbage in? So all our sessions are designed like that we clean every day our slate. So nobody next day will put any kind of garbage onto our field. So let's start our session today with chanting of Am 3 times. Keep your hand open to the sky like this. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Keep your eyes closed. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Let's rewind ourselves. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Keep your back straight, neck little bit tilted up. Eyes closed. Soak into the music. Bring your mind to the present moment by soaking into music. Bring your mind to this present moment. Feel the music playing inside your body, inside your head, like an auditorium. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Feel the music inside your head, inside your body. Bring your mind to this present moment. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. We start with the Kriya. This is called Mita Short Kriya. This is also available on Mita Meditation YouTube channel. This Kriya is specifically designed to open up your 7 chakras, 6 in the body, 1 on top of your head. This energy chakra is nothing but the energy body. A human being is made out of 3 bodies. One is physical body, mental body, and energy body. All 3 can be experienced. We are very good with the physical body, but when it comes to mental body and energy body, we have no clue how to manage them because we have never been introduced to them. But unless and until your mental body, physical body, and energy body is aligned, we cannot have a good human experience. So this Kriya first we will do is to align your mind and body and keeping them into one place. Now usually your body is here, your mind is traveling around. So we make sure that we try and learn to keep your mind and body at one place so we can experience the life 100%. How do we do that? By anchoring our mind into the present moment. So the Kriya is developed in such a way that all the activities you do, you feel the neck movement, you feel the hand movement, you feel the breath, you feel your clothes. Make sure you anchor your mind into this present moment. We have to learn to live, not to think. Basically, whole life has become now thinking. So turn your head slowly, slowly towards left as much as possible. Put your right hand onto your right cheek. Press your right cheek onto your palm, feeling the touch of your palm and cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Neck towards opposite side. Go slowly, slowly onto other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Feel the flight of height, feel the touch of hand palm, feel the rotation of neck. Both the palm onto the forehead and press your forehead onto your palm, feeling the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again feel the hand movement towards left as much as possible till it stretch. Then put your right hand, then press onto the right hand palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Towards opposite side, feel the sensation on your face like cold, heat. Anchor your mind into present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going up, down, neck tilting. Feel all the movement. With gentle smile on the face, press your forehead onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Now we'll do with the neck, chin touching the chest and neck going up. Half rotation, only half. Feel the rotation of your neck. Going back. Coming down. Again going up. Feel the rotation, feel the stiffness. Become aware of your breath. Throat chakra, also called Vishuddhi chakra. This energy chakra deals with the truth of life, often blocked by unspoken truth or lies, stopping energy to expand towards higher possibilities, rising above just eating, shitting and sleeping lifestyle. There is a lot more to explore if you can rise above your mind and body. Going up. Now we'll do shoulder rotation. Both the palm onto the knees and rotate 360 degree with shoulder going up and down. Feel your shoulder blades. Feel your breath. Try keeping your eyes closed as much as possible, and also try to be a witness, observer of your own mind and body. We are here to observe ourselves because we are far more concerned about observing others than observing ourselves. Opposite. When you start observing, when you bring all your action thoughts under consciousness, you see that you are becoming the owner, rightful owner of this mind and body. Right now the mind and body does its own thing without even bothered about you. We'll do now heart chakra. As I explained yesterday, heart chakra is one of the important chakra. Going back like this, and with my counting press more and more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Also feel the stretch. Anchor your mind into the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again opposite. 1, 2. Feel, take your attention to your heart and feel the stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last time. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do Manipuraka Chakra, which is just 1 inch above the navel. Now this is to do with the doership, that we cannot rest for a minute. All the time we want to do, keep doing. This is a more active, hyperactive people. You can find out, you can make out what kind of that person is or where his energy lies just by looking at people, if you really know the knowledge of chakras. We'll be soon publishing a book on chakras, how to activate them, what kind of kriya needs to be done, what kind of food you can eat. It's a comprehensive book on chakras and its importance will coming soon. Now going to knee, coming back. Now going to center, coming back, going to right side, coming back, again going towards left. Feel the stretch, anchor your mind into movement, going back, and observe your mind and body as a third person. Bring mindfulness in day-to-day activities, coming back, and be present in whatever you do with 100%, going back. Try to learn and watch your thought as a third person. Go back, right side. Very good. Now we will do now just one sec. We'll do full rotation. Start with full rotation. I have to look into this audio as well. Go back. Feel the stretch. Anchor your mind and body. Be observant. The more the distance between you and your body, you and your mind, the more control comes to you. The more involved you are with your mind and body, they have the control. You have to separate yourself, become observer of your own mind and body. Usually we observe other people and try to find fault in them, but we don't look at our own self and see what is happening inside, because that's what all matters. If your inside is calm and peaceful, no matter how big incident happen outside, you will take care of it, opposite. But if you are disturbed inside, even a small, slightest thing can make a big problem. Go back. Very good. Go back. Now open your left leg. Swadhisthana chakra. Pressing to your chest and down. 1, 2, 1, up and 2, up, down, up and down, up and down, and down, up 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 and down. Opposite. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up, up and down. Very good. Feel the stretch. Now we'll do Shishupala, rocking baby pose. Very good for Mooladhara chakra. You can see the stretch coming. Lalla lalla lori, doodh ki katori. You feeling pain? Sing a song. Doodh mein batasha. Keep your eyes closed and see the warmth at tailbone. This is the first chakra we need to ignite so that the energy start to flow upside. Now kiss your baby. Very good. Now opposite. We got twin babies. This is very basic chakra of an energy body called Mooladhara chakra, also known as a root chakra. When your energy body, mind body and physical body are aligned, you will see that there is no fear of future, there is no fear of uncertainty. It is all inside us. When we take control of our mind and body, you will see the outside challenge become very small. Yesterday my son was asking, he said, I stressed out. I asked him, don't use this kind of word. Kiss your baby. He said, I got stressed out. I asked him, what do you mean by you got stressed out? So he said, no, this happened, that happened. That's why I got stressed. Butterfly pose. That's why I got stressed. So I had to explain him, the stress looks like given by somebody else. Up, down, up, down. On the superficial level, you see that the stress is given by some situation or some people. But in fact, the stress is nothing but non-alignment of your mental body, physical body and energy body. Whenever a situation arises, when there is a friction between these three bodies and smooth function is disturbed, that is called stress. Anxiety, depression, all these different big name is nothing but disalignment of your mind, mental body, energy body and physical body. Very good. There is no stress, anxiety or depression which cannot be cured. Actually there is nothing. The moment you start, it will disappear, but you are the one who needs to decide that I want to come out of it. Alright, take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. If you want to stretch little bit, you stretch. If you want to get up for 1 minute, get up. Because next half an hour we'll be doing pranayam and meditation. Because I want you guys to sit very at one place with as still as possible. So you can move now how much whatever you want. But once we start again, try to be as still as possible. Those who are sitting, take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. We have started this mind, body, spirit program. 18 people have registered, and the batches will be starting from next Sunday and Saturday at my home. Monica is doing fantastic job by keeping track of all the people who have enrolled, and almost 4 Saturday Sundays are already booked. So we are doing alternate week. So that means 3 months are already booked now. Not more than 5 to 10 people we are allowing at the moment. So it's a 5-day evening course, but now we have an online session. That's why we have shifted it to Saturday and Sunday from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Just so that you know, in this mind, body and spirit program, we are going to cover many topics like how energy body works, and see the visuals of energy, how they goes, what thoughts and everything. So audio visual, it will be like a movie, half an hour, and then we will be doing Kriya one by one personally with me here. So let's start now with a breathing technique. Both the hands beside your shoulder, mouth closed, breathe in, breath out, breath 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 in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep doing. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Feel the sensation on your palm. Feel your head. Feel the oxygen revitalizing every body cell. One more time. Breathe in. Breath out. Breathe in. Out. In, out, 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 in, out. Breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. Relax. Keep your palm on your lap, back straight. Feel the sensation on your palm. One more last time. Both the hand beside your shoulder, mouth shut. Take the long and deep breath in, out, in, forcefully out. Breath in, out, out. Relax. Feel the revitalization process in your body. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the peace surrounding you. And acknowledge that this silence and peace is always available, all the disturbance is inside me. So if I can silence my mind, the peace is available at any moment. Become aware of the depth and the vastness of this peace and blissfulness. Kapalbhati. Exhaling only, don't inhale. Keep your mouth shut. Only exhale 30 times in 1 second interval. Start. Relax. Take your attention to your ear and try to listen to silence. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the vastness of this silence and peace. Try to listen to it and acknowledge that there is abundance of peace and blissfulness always around you. It's only your own mind which create all the noise. One more time, start again. Only exhale, do not inhale. Inhalation will happen automatically. Relax. Just become aware of the silence surrounding you. Just become aware of any mental commentary, monologue, dialogues going. Watch it as a third person. Don't get involved. One more last time. Start. Relax. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Close your left nostril with pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. So thumb and pinky finger alternate nostril. Breathe in. Close. Breathe with opposite nostril. Breath in. Close with opposite nostril. Breath in from left nostril. Breath out from right nostril. Long and deep breath in. Long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Alternate nostril breathing. Relax. Both the palm open to sky. Keep your back straight. If you want to sit on couch, sit on couch. If you want to sit on chair, sit on chair. But if you are comfortable at ground, sit on ground. Keep your eyes closed. Neck little bit tilted. Make sure that there is no glasses. Remove your glasses. We will be doing with eyes closed. We don't need glasses. Throughout the entire time, till the time we finish the bhajan, keep seated in one place. There will be lot of pleasant and unpleasant sensation. Don't react to it. Every sensation has only one nature, that it's impermanent and it will bound to go. So don't worry about any sensations. Take your natural attention to your natural breath. Incoming breath and outgoing breath. On the small area of upper lip, the diamond shape area on the upper lip, just take your attention with eyes closed at the entrance of the nostril, becoming aware of every incoming breath, every outgoing breath. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने. Become aware of every incoming breath. Natural breath. We don't have to take breath. We are not doing pranayam. Natural breath. Just become aware of the breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Keeping your eyes closed, back straight. Just become aware. The breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out. Very simple job. To watch every incoming breath, to watch every outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे. हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जानते रहे. सांस की पूरी लंबाई की जानकारी होती रहे. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. जानते रहें, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहें. If breath is coming from right nostril, let it come from right nostril. If breath is coming from left nostril, let it come from left nostril. If breath is coming from both the nostril, let it come from both the nostril. Don't try to change it. Just keep watching natural incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath. जानते रहे. The entire length of incoming breath, the entire length of outgoing breath, यही जानना है. ब्रेथ आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, बस यही जानना है। सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर, एक एक सांस की जानकारी होती रहे, एक एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे। Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, becoming very aware of every incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. The experiential level, watch your every incoming breath, outgoing breath. Also feel the sensation under your nostril, feeling the breath going in, going in, going in, feeling the breath coming out, coming out. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए। If mind wanders, bring it back. सांस अगर दाहिनी नासिका से आ रही है तो दाहिनी नासिका से आ रही है। सांस अगर बाएं नासिका से आ रही है तो बाएं नासिका से आ रही है। जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए। Keep your mind steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, watching every incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath, the entire length of incoming breath, the entire length of outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। सांस आ रहा है तो आ रहा है, जा रहा है तो जा रहा है, बस इतना ही जानना है। उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें, बस जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। वेरी अलर्ट, वेरी विजिलेंट। मेरे अर्जित पुण्यों में भाग सभी का हो, इस मंगलमय धर्म का लाभ सभी को हो। सबका मंगल हो, सबका मंगल हो। तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल हो। सबका मंगल सबका मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे। जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म सिखाया उनका मंगल होए रे। जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है उसका मंगल होए रे। पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया उस पिता का मंगल होए रे। जल में स्थल में और गगन में सब प्राणी सुखिया होए रे। तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे। सबका मंगल होए रे। सबका मंगल होए रे। Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Keep your eyes closed, but you can relax now. I am going to play bhajan. Sit in relax mode with eyes closed and sing the bhajan with me. Just sit, relax, eyes closed and soak into the music.
Twameva
Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhucha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhucha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel blissful, you may open your eyes. If you are online and if you are done, do say hi, hello, so I know who all there. Almost 30-40 people were there, so I don't know. I can only see the number. If you are online, just say hello. I can say hello back to you. And I will see you again tomorrow. Share the post, share the things so that it goes to many people. And every day I do it on my wall, so you can also do it on yours. And let's take the message of peace and hope to every door. You never know who is struggling with that. And even if somebody is not struggling, it's always to have our guard and our wellness with us. And when you are peaceful, everyone surrounding you become peaceful and blissful. And in general, we get a good human experience. So if you are online, say hello. I will respond to you back. And thank you so much for joining today. It's my honor all the time, I say, from bottom of my heart, that I don't do any community service. I do it for myself because I become regular with you all. So thank you so much. And my whole life is dedicated to this purpose and cause. Certainly for my own life, so that my own life becomes a flower and doesn't my life doesn't become mechanical, or there is no fun in my life. I want to have a fun every day, and we learn and do things which brings. In Mita Wellness there is always celebration happening. Sometimes we do this, sometimes we do that. We have just published the challenge for Surya Namaskar Sun Salutation Challenge. It's on our website, and also link is on Facebook. So if you are interested, last time when the first challenge we did, 130 people participated, and then we also selected 3 top people and gave them beautiful gifts, presents, as in books. So do go there and join the challenge. It's 11 days challenge with 21 Surya Namaskar, and at the International Yoga Day, which is 21st June, we will declare the winner. So do join those, and thank you once again for joining. Asha is asking some question. What is question, Asha? Why don't we start our Kriya with Muladhara Chakra? If that is the first chakra, we need to ignite. First chakra, see, as I say all the time, that when the Muladhara Chakra is the first chakra, but if your top chakras are not cleared, even if you ignite Muladhara Chakra, energy will come and stuck into there. So if my all other chakras are blocked, even if I ignite the Muladhara Chakra, the energy will get stuck into the upper chakras. So that's why we start from the top, so that when this ignition process starts, it finds a clear pathway to burst into the opening your crown chakra. So that is why we start from the top. Slowly we come. We don't start from the topmost. Topmost is the crown chakra. We don't even start there. We start with Agna chakra, then throat chakra, heart chakra. We go to Manipuraka, then Swadhisthana, and then we go to Muladhara chakra. So that all these chakras, energies are opened up, or at least loosened, so that when your Muladhara chakra ignites, the energy just bursts and flowers into your whole body. So I hope you understand now why we start. Thank you so much for asking a question. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you, everyone. I will see you tomorrow evening once again. Have a good night.